Welcome to the video tutorial on sharing internet from iPhone to computer using USB cable. This is what you need when you want to share the internet. On your Windows computer, download the iTunes installer. Then you use WinRAR to extract the iTunes installer. In the folder created after extraction there is a file named Apple Mobile Device Support. This is the driver installer so that Windows computers and iPhones can connect to each other. After completing the driver installation, connect your computer and iPhone together using a USB cable. On iPhone, tap Trust to allow the computer to connect to it. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using mobile data. Then you enable Personal Hotspot to allow your computer to connect to the internet via iPhone. As you can see, the computer is connected to the internet. If iTunes is already installed on your Windows computer, you can skip the driver installation step. Above are the steps to share internet from iPhone to computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.